Who said you can't make spaceships out of cardboard, eh?
Well, I guess everybody says that. Scientists say that. It's not physically possible. But what you can do is you can draw on cardboard. And that's what I'm going to do in this video. I ordered something. I really don't remember what, because it was a couple of weeks ago. And there was some really nice cardboard left over. So I thought, hey, let's do one of those brown paper, well, in this case, brown cardboard drawings again, because they are really fun. And for some reason, I forget to make them, or I forget to draw them. And yeah, spaceships as well. I haven't drawn some spaceships in a while, and I started watching The Mandalorian not so long ago, and he has a pretty sweet spaceship. So I was like, yes, let's combine all of these. Let's have a good time. Let's draw some spaceships and let's use that cardboard. So people, I posted this also on Instagram, and people asked me why would I choose to draw on cardboard. It's quite simple. It's basically the color of the paper, because you can use a white pencil or a white marker or whatever, well, not marker, but some sort of white fine liner, and you can bring in some really nice highlights, because when you draw on a white paper, the only way to bring in highlights is to leave the paper empty. But in this case, you can just draw everywhere. You can also take some markers and make it even darker, and then you come in with a white pencil or a white fine liner, and you can really add those nice shines and sort of highlights. And you will also see me do that throughout this video. One interesting thing is it's good if you have like relatively affordable markers, because cardboard is going to soak that marker up. So if you want to do this with markers, just be prepared that you will have to buy new ones or use refills quite often, because cardboard is no joke. But I must say I really like the end result of cardboard drawings, and not just because of the highlighting. It's also just, it's quite of a sort of a different surface to draw on, and I really enjoy that. And it also gives you different ideas than just drawing on a blank sheet of paper. A blank sheet of dark cardboard paper is I don't know, it's just a little bit more fun. It's also interesting. I don't venture that much out of my comfort zone lately, as I noticed, which is not good. I just draw stuff that is comfortable, and of course spaceships are comfortable, but at least it's an interesting different medium that I'm drawing on, and that makes it more fun, and also not necessarily makes it more challenging, but it definitely makes it more interesting. As for the spaceships, yeah, it is. I tried to do a little bit Star Wars-y. This first one, I would say it's more a little bit of the Expanse universe, the series or the books. I tried to make it as realistic as possible with those nozzles on the top, and definitely not aerodynamic at all. It's just about probably built in orbit and never enters the atmosphere. It's never supposed to be entering the atmosphere. As you will see on the second ship, that's where the Star Wars inspiration really kicks in, with the shapes and forms that are somewhat known from the Star Wars universe. But I'm also whenever I think of Star Wars, I think of Dark Empire comic books drawn by Cam Kennedy. That's a huge inspiration on me, so I took something from there as well. But yeah, these were really just me exploring and having fun with cardboard. These are the things why people get into drawing, because you just like to sit down and just explore, throw ideas onto the paper, and really just have a whole lot of fun. And the cardboard gives you a whole lot of fun, I can tell you that. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Maybe consider subscribing if you'd like to see more content like this. You can also follow me on Instagram for more regular drawing related updates. And as always, the most important thing is that you guys have a great week, and see you next time. Bye bye.